Here's how you make the little head things in my XD-mem. So first you of course go to Gacha Club. Make an expression. I recommend meme eyes or shut eyes for them. I'm going to use this expression. Now you hide everything except the head. Use the plus button and make it bigger. Then take a screenshot. Now head to the wonderful Ibis Paint X. Now use dip pen hard and add little eyelashes like what is shown here. If you're using a boyak, maybe just do more flat eyelashes or do none. Add a little shine like this. It makes it look less dead inside. Now, for the little white explosion thingy, do force fade with these settings. Now just use a big-ish brush size and put 3 little lines. For the little purple sign thing, just do the same thing, just not lines at an angle. For the little water drop, just do one short blue line and add some shine. And for the angry thing, just do 4 little curves. Force fade is optional. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed and this tutorial helped.